Good afternoon, everybody. It's time for another shave. Yeah, a little over 24 hours, I believe. For about 24 hours. It doesn't matter. I'm gonna shave. And for today's shave, I'm gonna be using the wet shaving store Buccaneer Bay rum. Like always, I have absolutely no clue. I haven't looked it up. I believe these soaps are made by Elation. I believe so. I believe. Correct me if I'm wrong. This one was gifted to me by Kevin, my friend from Wyoming, and he also gave me the splash. For the razor, I'm going to be using my Yates 921 titanium stubby handle with the Filoso blade second use. And for the brush, my Maritime, Mahi with a G5C not 24 millimeters. Freaking beautiful. Have I mentioned before that I love hybrids? I love hybrids. It's just they are so cool looking. Look at that. It's like a different world. Sealing resin. It's beautiful. How can you not love it? Anyway, let's get to the shave. Hope everybody's doing well. It's some chilling Sunday. I have absolutely no clue what to do. I'm looking for stuff to fix the lid on my trash bin because the dumpster truck broke the lid last week. So I'm looking for stuff in the garage and anywhere that the previous owners left it that I could use to fix the lid. To be honest, I don't even know if this is a tallow. I believe Elysian only does tallow, grass-fed tallow. If she made the soap, too much water. But it's looking cool. Starting to look great. Getting better. The brush was a little too wet. Beautiful. Looking pasty. I believe the G5C the best size for it is a 24 millimeter. Although this is an old brush. I don't know if it is because it is an old badge from the G5C. Because I've heard people saying that there were some batches from the G5C that they were not as good. Which, for example, the one that Chris Lather Yeti gave me, it feels scratchy. More scratchy than this one. This was super soft. Very nice. Very similar to a Badger. Yeah, looking great. Already pasty. Let's add more water. Very good. Looking good. Look at that. Yeah, it's already looking good. It's been almost 5 minutes. And with me talking, so not bad. Look at very nice, very nice. But I want to add a little bit more. Let's see. I have never used. I'm believing that this is an edition soap, so I have never used a full tub of her. I use some samples, but to be honest, I never pay attention how it will perform. I think I forgot the one that Lather Yeti sent me. Was it Aqua? Atlantis. One of the Atlantis. It's looking great. Yeah, let's get to it. It's looking great. Looking really good. Now let's see how the Filoso acts on the second use. Forgot to say this is the H-plate on the 921. It's a very nice razor. Very nice. Very slick. Let's see how it paints. Oh yeah. Like cream cheese. I don't get the scent, but you know my nose is terrible. I get a little bit of the bay rum, like the rum scent, but it's not as strong to me compared to the Atomic Age bay rum from PA. That's the other one that I smelled because I have a bomb of it. Now let's see how second person. Love the feedback. Hopefully the microphone is picking it up. Hopefully. So far, so good. I don't see any nicks so far. Let's go for the third pass. Looking good. Really smooth. Very nice. So far, the Filoso is working fine. And the soap. I still get a little bit of the rum. I don't know if it has clove or what, but it's a typical bay rum scent from what my nose get. Yeah, that's my heart area. Heart spot, not heart area. That's it for pickups. Yeah, good. No pickups. That was a great shave. That was a great shave. See, let's see what the splash has to do. Always shake it. You gotta shake it all the time. Guessing by the label, should be. Woo. Oh yeah, little bit of a burn. Oh yeah, I pick up the rum. And some other stuff that I cannot tell you. Yeah. It feels like a tropical drink, but I feel I get more the rum. That's what I get the rum. I don't get much fruits or that I can identify. That I can identify. Have I mentioned that I'm bad at scents? But nonetheless, it was a great shave. I'm looking forward to see the post shave feel. The Cajun blade left my skin glowing. Yesterday was great. I really enjoyed that one. This one performed really well. I'm gonna be feeling my face all for the rest of the day and see how it goes. But anyway, it was a great shave. Thank you for watching as always. And I guess I'll see you on the next shave. Enjoy your Sunday.